This WhatsApp feature will allow you to send disappearing voice messages. If you ever wanted to share an audio note that self-destructs after the recipient listens to it once, now you can do exactly that. This new View Once mode is perfect for sending confidential information, inside jokes, or other content you don't necessarily want the recipient to be able to access repeatedly. It gives you more control over your private voice messages. To take advantage of this feature, you need to download the latest version of the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android device. To send a disappearing voice message on WhatsApp, open a chat with the recipient you wish to send the self-deleting audio note to. Press and hold the microphone icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to begin recording your voice message. While still holding down the mic icon, swipe up with your finger. This will lock it into recording mode. Next to the timer, you will now see a View Once icon. Tap the new View Once icon to enable the disappearing feature. When you finish recording your confidential, sensitive, or private voice note, tap the Send button to complete transmitting it as a one-time audio message. After the recipient listens to the voice message once, it will automatically be deleted from the chat. This allows you to share timely information without it being permanently saved.